Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how hackers use drive-by download technique. Hackers sometimes use drive-by download techniques to make a victim's computer download and run malware just by visiting a malicious web page. In our example, the JavaScript code will automatically create a hidden download link that will retrieve an executable file from a remote server and saves it as update.exe. After triggering the download, the script will wait 2 seconds and then attempt to run the file using WScript.shell through ActiveX, a feature that worked in older Internet Explorer environments. This demonstrates how attackers historically try to automate malware delivery on vulnerable systems. Although modern browsers now block most of these actions, but we will be able to download the file with this example. So let's see. First, we are going to add just a script tag, and our file is the extension of our file is HTML. So we are just embedding script, JavaScript in. So we are going to have our starting script tag and ending script tag. Then we are going to define a function that will download a file and attempt to execute it. We will name our function download and execute. Now we are going to create an new anchor HTML element dynamically. So we're just going to have our link here, and using a document object, we're going to call create element. The next step is to set the URL that the browser should download from, and it will be pointing to our remote executable payload. You can add your own link. Now we are going to suggest the file name that will be used when the file is downloaded. Now add the anchor element to the document body so it becomes part of the DOM. We just need to add this to our document dot body dot append child, and we're just going to pass in the link. Now we are going to programmatically trigger a click on the link, this will force the browser to start downloading the file automatically. So we're just going to call the click. So we're just gonna do here link click. Then wait 2 seconds before executing the next step. The downloading pod will work on most of the browsers. And the next one is to execute the script. So now we are going to create a Windows script host shell object ActiveX. So this only works in all Internet Explorer environments. Let's see. So create a new ActiveX object. WScript dot shell. And then run the downloaded executable file update.exe. The one here is for window style, that would be a normal window, and the false is for do not wait for the program to finish before continuing. Here, to delay execution by 2000 milliseconds, that will be 2 seconds. And now we are going to immediately call the function so the download and execution start automatically. So we just need to call our function. You can test this code by opening in a web browser. You just need to replace the link with your file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.